Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Anyways, let's do this again. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we're back with another hair tutorial. Feel me? We're gonna be working with YOLANFAIRY. I've worked with them about 3 times now. Yeah, their hair is very good quality. They sent me a 4x4 closure water wave wig in 16 inches. Yeah, and we're gonna be reviewing this today. So these are the 3 things I got inside the package. I got a cute earring, very cute. I got a makeup sponge like and wig cap. I already have one on my head, and this is the wig. So you know it comes in a little mesh cap and thing. Then it comes with the little stuffing inside, and bam, 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 bam. This is how it's looking. It did have a smell when it just came, so I washed it. I really could not take that smell. You know, it just smell like processed hair, and I don't like that smell there, so I washed it, guys. And we're gonna be installing this wig today. I don't think this video is gonna be a talk through video. I'll probably do a voiceover. I'm gonna probably talk because I love chat. So we'll see. Let's get into the review. One thing I really love about the wig is it came pre-plucked. So when I see that gray hair there, prominent bottom. One thing I really love, it came pre-plucked, so I don't have much to do. I don't have much customization, or I don't have any to do with the wig. So thank you guys for sending it pre-plucked. I really like that. And we're just gonna get into the install. This is gonna be a glueless install, so I will be using my Got To Be glue. This is the only thing I'm gonna be using to install this wig. So yeah, so it has the standard wig how long I gone for my love? You don't know for the video again. Has a standard it has a standard wig construction, 2 combs at the side, 1 at the bottom, and your adjustable straps. And we're just gonna go ahead and put the wig on to our big ass, humongous ass. I always feel for do this, like for put on the wig on my head. So we're just putting some makeup onto the wig cap, just right in the center, because we're working with a 4x4 closure, so we do not need a lot. Alright, so that is off, and we're gonna lay this down. So I already wiped off this area clean. Ensure that your Got To Be spray is clean, as in the sprout. Ensure that you use like a comb to like clean it off, so that it sprays straight. So little tip if you didn't know. I cut the front because these are going to be my baby hair. I'm going to cut it somewhere if it's too long, but I just want to go ahead and lay the front. I'm going to flat out the front with my hot comb so that it lays flat. Yeah, bitch is hot. You want the front to be laid. Anyways, I think this is laid now, so baby, what you trying to do? Load it up. So guys, before we get into the baby hair, we're just gonna wet the hair up. So guys, I just clip the ends off, and then like we're finished with styling the hair itself, we're gonna move on to the baby hairs. Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let no, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the truth, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the So guys, this is the finished look. So my baby hair is turned out. The front is so flat. My favorite part of this wig is the front. It's so flat. I'm gonna sleek the shit out of this with my hot comb. I'm not gonna tell you no lies, no jokes. So this is the final look, guys. All the information to this wig will be down in my description box. You can check it out if you'd like to purchase this wig. I think this was for $87. I'm not quite certain, but I'll definitely put the price on the screen for you somewhere down here. I want to thank YOLANFAIRY so much for sponsoring this video. I really enjoy working with you guys, and more sponsors to come. This is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share it and such, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye babies.